last short video, either because you already know about our YouTube playlist and see it in the announcements, or because you notice the new link that I'm going to put on top of our content. But before I show you a couple of new things, I want to show you a screenshot of the gradebook that doesn't show names. Now, it has come to my attention that even when I go to the student preview in Ultra, which is supposed to make the Ultra course view for me exactly the same as it is for you, nothing looks like it should look. So I apologize for that. You have to click on Submit Assignment to find the directions for almost any assignment. And I was unaware of that, and I just recognized that we're having that problem. Also, I know that a lot of faculty don't use Ultra, and unfortunately, the gradebook in Ultra doesn't display the way that I tell it to. So in this screenshot of the course view, you can see the first number, 73.4, is the total number of points a particular student has. The second number, 86.9, is the number of points that student attempted. For example, if you attempted a quiz or a test or a paper and you didn't get full credit, the possible full credit is the second number, but the actual credit that you got is the first number. So the first number is the only important number in the grade book. And I have another example I could probably show you really quickly if it would let me open other screenshots. No, it's not going to. And there's not a great example of this here, except in this case where the student has 63 points out of 60, 68, or 69 that they attempted. Now, if you only attempted 69 points, then you didn't do 1/3 of the assignments for the class. Therefore, even though gradebook has it in green and tells you it's all good, your grade at this point is still 63 out of 100. That means that you would get a D in the class. And here, an 82, anything above an 80 is a B, and anything above a 90 is an A. So beware of what the gradebook tells you, and please let me know if you're still not sure about your grade. So this will allegedly show me what Blackboard looks like for you. And I guess the reason that there are these little dots is because it tells you what you've done and what you haven't done now. And as you can see, I apparently have not done anything. And we have to keep scrolling down quite a bit in order to get to our most recent assignments. And I noticed a couple of things. This goes into some of the discussions already. But in the Abby Wambach folder, it's not showing it yet, but there's supposed to be a link to a video that's pretty short with a speech by Abby Wambach. And the reason you don't see that is because it was previously in an additional discussion. So if you do need more discussions, I can add that discussion. And I did add the link, but I'm not sure why it is not yet showing up. In Bad Feminist, there is a link to a TED Talk that's pretty short. And in that one, you should also see a quiz. But for some reason, Blackboard isn't showing things in this student preview that I've already added. So let me try. Okay, so here in my view, you can see the class playlist. Maybe Blackboard just has to upload for everyone to see it. And if we look in the other section, I'm hoping we will see all of the items at the end. Now, keep in mind, if you have 90 points already, you don't have to worry about anything, and it's not necessary to do any additional assignments. I made this Bad Feminist so that it does look like the rest of our assignments, our modules. and I'm going to change the due date. And as you know, I don't really get too excited about due dates, but they're useful to have. And I don't know why that didn't change it like I told it to. This is a quiz, and you will get a point for it if you do it. The last thing that I need to tell you, though, is that if you look at your total and you think that you still would like to earn some more points, there will be a final exam. And please keep in mind that the second paper is a required assignment. I don't have one from everybody. And if you don't do the second paper, then you will not get any higher than a C in the class. So let me know what questions you have, and I hope that this is helpful. Have a great day.